Hey my Rhapsody fam, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka and finally the most awaited season of all time is here. The festive season is here and also the wedding season is going to begin very soon. I am pretty sure that most of you are looking for black smoky eyes tutorial. In this video, as the title says, I am going to show you the very easy way to create smoky eyes in just no time. Now without any further ado, let's dive into this video, but make sure that you do follow me on my Instagram because there I upload so many videos that I do not upload here. So for more such content and to know me more, please follow me on my Instagram. The handle name somewhere on the screen, the handle name will be somewhere on the screen and will also leave in the description down below. Now with that being said, let's dive right into this video. First thing first, I am going to prep my eyes with a concealer. I'm using Maybelline Fit Makeup Concealer in the shade medium. You can totally skip this step. I am just using a little bit concealer. As you can see, I'm just going to prep my eyes so if there is any discoloration going on over my eyelids, that is totally covered. Now as the base color, I'm using this orange shade to do my transition. So we are going to do in a way like lighter, darker and the darkest. So yes, I'm using this orange shade to do my transition. While doing your transition, make sure that you don't get too down, just keep it till your crease. Now I will take this flat brush and I'm going to dip this into this dark brown shade. I am not going to apply this too high or too low. I'm just going to keep it till my crease, so make sure that you do the same. Now I am going back to my blending brush and I'm going to blend both the shade together really well. Don't get too low, just keep it till the crease of your eyes. Guys, blending is the key, so make sure that all the shades are nicely blended and there are no harsh line going on. Now I am going to take a kajal pencil. Instead you can also use gel eyeliner. I am going to apply this over my eyelids and make sure that you don't go too in or too out. Just keep it in the middle of your eyelids only and apply this only the lower part of your eyelids. Don't go till the crease, make it till the middle part of the eyelids. Now first use your fingers to blend the shade, and like I said, you don't go too out or too in, just keep it till the middle of your eyelids and otherwise you will make blunders. Now with the help of a brush, make sure that the color is nicely blended and this kajal or gel eyeliner, whatever you are using, is going to work as a base of your eyeshadow and the color is going to look really dense. Now I will take this matte black color and I'm going to pat this over my lid, and I'm not going to drag this or using any to and fro motion. I'm just patting it on the lid wherever I want to place it. Now I am using this pencil brush and I'm going to dip this into the same shade I did my crease with, and I'm going to blend both the colors really well so that there are not harsh lines, because the color black we used is going to look really harsh if it is not nicely blended. So make sure that you dip this into the crease shade as well and then blend your eyes together. You guys can clearly see the transition is going from lightest to darkest, exactly how we want it. Now guys, our black smoky eyes are almost complete, only the touch of hair left. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go and do my base off camera and gonna come back to complete the eye makeup fully. I did my base off camera and I'm again going to take a pencil brush, going to dip it again into the same shade I used it for my crease, and I'm going to apply this below my waterline. Now I am using this angular brush and I have dipped this into the same matte black shade I used for my lids, and I am just placing the shade very close to my waterline and not dragging the brush. I'm just placing it, and can you see the difference? Now I'm using same pencil brush to blend both the shades together. And it's finally time to finish off the makeup with some eyeliner and mascara. Usually people don't like to use eyeliner with black smoky eyes, but I think it really enhances the eye makeup really well. So I am going to apply a very thin winged eyeliner. Make sure that you do the same. I would recommend you. You can use lots and lots of mascara, and you can also use the falsies. It's definitely up to you, but I think mascara will do the job perfectly. Now I am applying some highlighter on my brow bone and in the inner corner of my eyes. Complete the look with a very light shade lipstick. I would recommend a light shade lipstick, and this eye makeup can be done for ethnic wear, fusion wear, or even for western wear as well. So this was my tutorial for black smoky eyes. If you guys recreate this look, make sure that whenever you put any other color or any other shade, make sure that you do blend all the colors together really well. Like I keep mentioned in this tutorial as well, that no matter if you're using your hands or using a brush, of course brush makes the task really easy, but if you are doing this makeup look was really easy, right? You can do it with your fingers as well. Makeup brushes will make the task easier, but doesn't matter. You just only need to know the technique, and you can definitely do your makeup without any tools. So yes, but make sure that whenever you do your smoky eyes, for any dark eyes for that matter, or even like whenever do your eye makeup, basically make sure that you blend your every color into each other really well, so that there are no any harsh line going on over your eyes. So yes, with this it's a wrap, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, then please give it a thumbs up, and do share it with your friends, family, and everyone you think might need this. And make sure that you do follow me on my Instagram channel as well. Like I mentioned, I upload so much there that I do not upload here. So if you are not following me over there, then you are definitely missing out on some great content. If you like me, my videos, then please do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Have a happy Diwali. I am definitely coming up some great styling and makeup videos in the future for wedding season and for the festive season as well. If you are interested, then please keep on watching. Stay tuned with me. And now with that being said, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.